Welcome back to the channel. My name is Russ Palmer, and in this video, I want to talk about shame. Shame is something nearly all of us carry, and what makes shame so powerful is that it doesn't attach to something you did, it attaches to who you believe you are. It can flood your identity with I am thoughts like, I am not lovable, I am a liar, I am broken, I am too much, or I am not enough. And here's the hard part. Even when you're alone, shame can make you feel very exposed. Like if anyone really saw who I am, they'd see something less than. And as we get into relationships, well, we don't leave our shame at the door. We bring it right on in with us. And shame will show up as guilt or low self-worth. And we will either shrink from it or we will project it. And we'll project it through anger or through defensiveness, through control, through pushing people away before they get too close. That's why so many couples don't sabotage their relationship with arguments or disagreements. They sabotage it because of shame. Now, high-performance couples understand shame in a very different way. They don't fight the reaction, and they certainly don't weaponize it. They get very curious about what's underneath it, always searching for meaning behind the emotion, because much of the time, it's really not about anger. It's about shame, trying not to be seen. So instead of escalating, they lean in, not to fix each other, but to really understand their partner. They learn how to recognize shame in themselves and in their partner, because when shame is driving, connection disappears. But when it's understood, now this is where real connection can grow. If you don't have the courage to understand where shame is, you'll keep fighting it in your relationship. Now, if you'd like to understand more about shame in yourself or in your relationship, please check out The Way of Coupling.